Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to solve this question, and we have a x plus y. This is equal to 6 times square root product of xy, and we find the value of x over y. Let's start. Look at this equation. We have a x plus y. This is equal to 6 times square root of product of xy. We take a square on both sides of this equation. So take a square on this side and also take a square on this side. In the next step here, we use the identity, and we know that x plus y whole square, this is equal to x square plus 2 times product of xy plus y square. And this is a 6 square, we get a 36, and this square and square root will cancel, we just get a xy. In the next step, we subtract us 36 times product of xy on both sides of this equation. So we have a x square plus 2 times product of xy plus y square minus 36 times product of xy. Now right hand side is just 0. In the next step, this is a plus 2 times product of xy, and this is a minus 36 times product of xy. We solve this, then we get a minus 34 times product of xy. So we have a x square plus this is a y square, and if we solve this and this value, then we get a minus 34 times product of xy. This is equal to 0. Now in the next step, we divide this equation by product of xy on both sides of this equation. So divide this value by product of xy, also divide this value by product of xy, and divide this by product of xy, and divide right hand side by product of xy. Then this x and this x will cancel. We get a x over y plus this y, and this is a y square, so 1 will cancel. We just get a y over x minus this product of xy, and this product of xy will cancel. We just get a 34. It's equal to, and 0 divide product of xy is just 0. Now in the next step, we let x over y, this is equal to m. This implies that y over x, this is equal to 1 over m. So we substitute this value in this equation. So we let this is equal to m. So we have a m plus y over x, this is equal to 1 over m. And this is a minus 34 is equal to 0. And now in the next step, we multiply this equation by m on both sides. So multiply this side by m and also multiply this side by m. So this m and m, if we multiply, then we get a m square. And when we multiply this m by 1 over m, then this m and m will cancel. We just get a plus 1. And when we multiply this m by 34, then we get a 34 times m, and 0 multiply m is just 0. Now we rearrange this equation a little bit. So we have a m square minus 34 times m plus 1, this is equal to 0, and this will become a quadratic equation, and we use a quadratic formula, which is a m is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2a. And in this equation, a is a coefficient of m square, which is 1, and the b is a coefficient of m, which is a minus 34, and c is a constant, which is a 1. Now we substitute this value in this formula. So we have a m is equals to minus, and b is a minus 34 plus minus b square mean minus 34 square, which is equal to 1156 minus 4a is a 1 and c is also 1 over 2, and a is a 1. Now we simplify this value. So we have m is equals to minus, and minus will become a positive. So this value is a positive 34 plus minus This is a 1156 minus 4 multiply 1 is a 4 over 2 ones are 2. Now we simplify this, so we have a 34 plus minus, this is a 1156 minus 4, then we get a 1152 over 2. M is equal to 34 plus minus 24 times square root 2 over 2. We write this as a 34 over 2 and plus minus 24 times square root 2 over 2, and 34 divided 2 is a 17, plus minus 24 times square root 2 divided 2 is just 12 times square root 2. This is the value of m, and we let that m is equals to x over y. So this implies x over y is equal to 17 plus minus 12 times square root 2, and this is our required solution, and we have done. Thank you.